Thank you. Want to repair a system that is not entering operating system, it's not entering window. So what's going on? Let's check it out. Okay, what's the given? Selected boot image did not authenticate. Press enter to continue. Let's see what happened to the pressing enter. Nothing. So how can we fix this? We can go on by pressing the boot, then from there, oh yes, we can fix this by pressing the power button, pressing F10. From F10, pressing F10, by pressing F10 it gives you to the, it goes down to the BIOS settings. From BIOS settings you go down to the system configuration and you go down to the boot option. From the boot option you click enter, you go down to the legacy support. The legacy support is disabled. You have to make sure you enable the legacy support by pressing enter and what, select the enable. Then it gives you what, changing the setting may make the system unable to boot. Don't ignore the sentence and just press what, enter. Yes, then from there it gives you what, the legacy support enabled, and from here you fixed your problem. So let's try and see. You press F10 if you want to save it. You press F10 and do what, and save yes, and from there let's see what's going on. Is it coming? It gives me something, operating system boot mode change. Press 3762 plus enter to complete the changes. So let me press 3766, enter. What happens? It boots down to window. So let's see. Did it go to the administration password where we can enter our password and enter inside the what? Inside our documents which we have saved. Let's see. Wow. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to turn up the bell, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can watching this video will really help you, and you can keep watching my videos as I do upload. It gives you much morale and even it saves money for you. Thank you for